Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I'll be showing you around the stunning approved used Audi SQ5 V6 Tiptronic Quattro. To the rear you have the privacy glass adding a touch of sophistication, and at the time of this recording the vehicle has done 54,888 miles. To the side of the car's profile, standing on 21-inch alloy wheels, making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather upholstery, centre armrest with 2 cup holders for those longer journeys, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Now one of the main features is the panoramic glass sunroof, allowing natural daylight to flood the front cabin. And as you sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery, the iconic S embossed logo and front centre armrest for extra support. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift pedal for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a variety of your favourite FM radio stations to choose from, connection of your mobile phone device, and a wide view of the navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. For added safety, the rear view camera helps to manoeuvre in those tight spaces with confidence and ease. Now if you like listening to your playlist, then you'll absolutely love the Bang & Olufsen sound system, giving crystal clear audio on every journey. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps, CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. Into maps to help you easily find your desired destination. Telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite FM radio station. And in the car menu with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as dynamic for a more sporty drive, or comfort for those longer journeys. Below you have the 3-zone climate controls, so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. Stay connected with the 12-volt and USB charging point, the MMI multimedia display control pad, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox and electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile, and 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees. This approved used Audi SQ5 is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.